Welcome to OBDSync, I'm Jason, and in this episode we're going through how to change the logo on the heads-up display on a Chevrolet SS. So first off, go to the vehicle button and then head to the heads-up display tile. This will then begin loading in the available options or show the licensing screen if you haven't licensed already. Go to the flashing tab along the top, then click on the configurable options tab, and we can go over to our startup logo image. We're going to go from default, and then we're going to go ahead and select the Holden red logo. And when ready, we'll click right. Just make sure you do have a battery maintainer fitted. Really important because this process does take over 20 minutes to complete. When turning the ignition on, make sure you're holding the ignition button until it goes green. If you have a key start car, make sure the key is all the way one before the car starts, and this makes sure that the car is completely on and will keep on. If you don't follow those steps and your push button does not show a green light, this means that the car is not ignition on and it will fail. So as we can see here, I've added a timer down the bottom. This is in minutes, so it's currently showing 6 minutes and that amount of seconds. I've sped this video up by about 3,000% just because this does take 20 minutes to complete. So we're just going to scroll through to give you an indication just how long this really is. So very important with the battery maintainer, as 20 minutes with ignition on can drain a battery. So this will be done in roughly another 4 or 5 seconds here. There we go. Alright, so after 20 minutes we'll get to this part and it'll be saying finalizing flash routine. Once that's done, you'll see the car will then start waking back up again, and if you watch the HUD, you'll see that that logo has now changed. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.